Competency-Based Assessment CBA Portal is a web-based system for managing the online delivery of assessment tools, registration of learners, and uploading of assessment outcomes or scores by schools. Schools, parents, and guardians shall access the CBA portal using the web address https://cba.nec.ac.ke, or you can even access the CBA portal through the NEC website www.nec.ac.ke or through NEC portal by clicking on the link CBA portal. That is how you can access the CBA portal URL. Schools shall log in using their username and password as shown below. How do schools log in using their username and password? Number 1, click on Enter Username and Enter Password to key in the username and password respectively. Number 2, click the Login button to access the school homepage. Number 3, schools that have forgotten their username and password should contact the Sub-County Director of Education, SCDE, for reset of passwords. Upon successful login, the window below with menu items shall open for schools to access various functions in the system. Key in the school details and then click the Update button as shown below. Instructions on conduct of assessment. This is the first menu item containing all instructions on the conduct of the assessment. Number 1, click on the button Instructions on Conduct to open the window below. Select and click on the View button, or you can also click on the Download button to view or download the general or grade or level specific instructions as shown in the figure 5 above. Registration of learners. Click the Register Learners button to generate the interface below for schools to register a learner or learners to their school. How to add new learner or learners. To register new learners, click the Add Learner button to open the window below. Once you've done that, you provide the learner details and save as shown below. Do not forget to save. How to transfer or add learner or learners from another school. Number 1, to register a learner or learners from other schools, click on the Add Learner from Another School in brackets Transfer button, the one in dark blue. Number 2, the window below shall be generated to key in the learner's assessment number, view learner details, and transfer. Number 3, if you do not know the learner assessment number, use the school code for the previous school to search for the learner and acquire the assessment number. View learner details and click the transfer button. Number 5, the head teacher at the school where the learner is currently registered will be prompted to accept or decline the transfer request. Requested transfers for learners to other schools shall be viewed under the Transfer Requests for the Specific Grade or Level button as shown below. As you can see, the Transfer Requests for the Specific Grade or Level button is right above. To accept transfer of a learner to another school, click Accept button. Learners whose transfer has been accepted shall automatically be removed from the current school list and transferred to the other school. To decline transfer of a learner to another school, click Decline button and you'll be prompted to select or specify the reason for declining. Schools can follow up with the SCDE to resolve issues on declined transfers. Learner progression or movement. The system is flexible because schools shall be able to manage progression of learners from foundation to intermediate all the way to vocational level and from stage-based to age-based and vice versa. Progression or movement of a learner to a higher level or grade. Number 1, click the Progression of Learners button to view and move a learner or learners by selecting the desired level or grade. Number 2, click the Move Learner button and the learner will be automatically moved to the selected level or grade. As you can see, Figure 12 shows the learner's progression from foundation to intermediate. Assessment materials or tools. This menu provides access to the assessment materials. Steps for downloading assessment materials or tools. Number 1. Click on the button called Download Assessment Materials to open the below window to view and download instructions and assessment tools that are categorized by grade or level and learning area. Number 2, select and click on the Download Assessment Tools button for the specific learning area to download specific assessment materials or tools. Select the appropriate tools for learners in your schools and click on the Download button to save the assessment tool as shown below. Capture assessment outcomes. Steps to capture assessment scores or outcomes. Number 1, remember to select the grade or level. Number 2, click the Capture Assessment Outcomes button to open the learning areas as shown below. Once you've done that, number 3, you'll click Capture Assessment Outcomes for the specific learning areas to capture and save the outcomes for each learner as shown below. Steps to amend or edit assessment scores or outcomes. Number 1, click on View or Edit Outcomes button to generate the window below. Number 2, click Amend Outcomes button for the specific learner to edit or amend their outcomes as shown below. Reports. Schools can view, download, or print various reports from the CBA portal by clicking on the specific report button. Nominal roll. Now, to generate the nominal roll of a specific grade or level as shown below, click the Nominal Roll button. Outcomes report. To generate the outcomes report of a specific grade or level, click the Outcomes Report button to view learners' outcomes. Online questionnaire. Where schools are required to provide administrative feedback for a specific grade or level, they shall access the questionnaire following the steps below. Number 1, click the Administration Feedback button to open the window below. Number 2, click the Go to Questionnaire button under the Administrative Feedback to provide information for use to establish how monitoring learner progress was undertaken in schools as shown below. Parents, guardians viewing their learners' details. Parents or guardians shall be able to view their learners' details and the status of their SBA scores or outcomes using the learner's assessment number following the steps below. Number 1, access the CBA portal using the link https://cba.nec.ac.ke or through the NEC website www.nec.ac.ke or through the NEC portal by clicking on the link CBA portal. Figure 23 shows the CBA portal or login or view learner details. Number 2, click on the View Learner Details button to open the window below to select your child or learner's grade or level and input the assessment number. Take note that parents or guardians must select the correct grade or level and provide the valid assessment number for their child or learner in order to proceed. As indicated, they should contact their child's school to get the valid information if they have a challenge or issue. number 3, upon successful selection of the learner grade or level and input of a valid assessment number, click the Find button to view your child's details as displayed below. Parents or guardians shall therefore view the following details about their learner: assessment number, same as the one they used to view the details, name of the learner, gender, is it male or female, school code, the name of the school, the current grade or level, the pathway, is it age or stage based, and status of SBA outcomes or scores. This shows the total number of learning areas with score out of the expected number of learning areas. Now, while on this interface, parents or guardians shall be able to view details of their other learners, if they have more than one child in school, by selecting their current grade or level and keying in their assessment number.